The next thing that we're going to do is create folders and subfolders to organize our files and content. And before we do that, let's click Ctrl S, or you can also go to File and Save. And let's save our maps. So as you can see, we don't really have the place. We can just save it in general content, but it will be unorganized. If we just save everything like that, it will just become a mess really quick. So first, let's click on this button here. So if you click here, it will let us kind of see our folders organized in a different way, which is, so we don't have to click here to see the content and everything below. And we can see here folders and subfolders. Now let's right click on content, and we can click a new folder. We can also just click here, right click, and click new folder. And by clicking that, we can type, we can name our folders or project. So let's name it new project. And in this new project, we are going to put all the custom assets for our project. And that will be characters, objects, materials, textures, everything. Then on the new project, click right click, new folder. And now let's name it maps. And now that we have file specifically for folder specifically for maps, we can click Ctrl S. Now go to the new project, maps. And let's name our map. Actually, new map is a good name. So we can click save. And now if we click on new project maps, we have our new map. Next thing that we are going to create is right click, new folder, materials. So we are going to have multiple subfolders that we are going to use to organize our stuff. We don't want everything in one place and then try to figure out or kind of remember and forget where everything is. So let's again click right click, new folder, and let's call this cinematics. And this kind of our three main folders. Now if you remember, when I clicked view options, show engine content, now in this view we can also see all the content that Unreal Engine has inside that is usually hidden because you won't probably use or edit most of this stuff. So we can hide it, but there is always an option to show your engine content. And yeah, this is how you create folders and subfolders to organize your files.